In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Lovable with SUPABASE. Very easy. Before we begin, a quick overview. Lovable is where your project lives, and SUPABASE is your backend platform. Connecting them lets your app securely read and write data without manual wiring. To make this smooth, have your SUPABASE account open and already signed in on the same browser. That way, when Lovable asks for access, it can confirm instantly with no extra prompts. Start inside Lovable and open the project you want to connect. Double check you're in the correct workspace and project, especially if you manage multiple environments like staging and production. This prevents pushing data to the wrong place and keeps everything tidy as you scale. Inside your project, head to Settings. This is where all integrations and project-wide configurations live. If you're new to Lovable, think of Settings as the control center for permissions, connections, and advanced options that your whole project uses. From Settings, open the Connectors section. Connectors are pre-built bridges to popular tools, and SUPABASE is one of them. This view helps you avoid manual API configuration and keeps your stack consistent across environments. If SUPABASE doesn't appear right away, select View All. This expands the full catalog so you can find SUPABASE quickly. You can scroll or use search if it's available. If you still don't see it, make sure your internet connection is stable and that you're not filtering the list to a different category. Choose SUPABASE, then select Connect. At this point, Lovable may prompt you to verify access. Keep your SUPABASE session active in another tab so the handoff is seamless. Review any permission message carefully and confirm it matches the project you intend to connect. Avoid pasting or exposing any private credentials in shared spaces. The integration should handle authentication securely without you revealing sensitive keys. To finish, select Connect SUPABASE. Lovable will finalize the handshake and link your project to your SUPABASE backend. You'll typically see a connected status or a confirmation on screen. If anything stalls, refresh the page, make sure you're logged into the correct SUPABASE organization, and confirm you have the right role permissions for integrations. That's it. Your Lovable project is now integrated with SUPABASE. You're ready to build features that read and write data, manage EOUth, and ship faster with a stable backend. Congratulations and enjoy the smoother, more powerful workflow this connection unlocks.